It's a bit brass out today. My nips are standing to attention, that's for sure. Chafing against this mesh shirt. Beautiful. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm off to Liverpool. I've also turned down the gain on the microphone, so hopefully it's a little bit easier for you to hear me. Thank you, sir. These roads are lovely. I say that pretty much every video, don't I? About how nice the country is, what a nice day it is, and how nice the roads are. Until I moan about something else like it raining. Touch wood, it's not meant to rain. Oh, again, it's not meant to, but it probably will. So I'm off to P3 in Liverpool. B3 Tuning. They're well, clues in the name really, they're a tuning company. I'm going to have a power run done on this today, and then I might have bought an exhaust. You stay the fuck there, mate. I might have bought an exhaust for it, so check that one coming up. I'm sure that's going to be a hell of a video installing that fucker. I know where we are. Very nice guys, I've dealt with them in the past. They're the ones that did my MT-09 flash, if you saw that video. If not, go and have a look at that. Here we go, here's the start of the adventure, boys and girls. This fucking pile of shit, for some reason telling me to go back the way that I've just come. Not a clue, lads, not a clue. What the fuck? That's really cool. Look at that old bastard. That's weird. Oh, look at the beauty of this road. Look how many fucking potholes there are. Okay, there's a power really, or a starter one. Oh god. It nearly happened again. Yeah, oh yeah, tractor fail. Oh, hello Mr. Cat. Hello Mr. Puddy Cat. You alright, mate? Fishing. Yeah. Okay, calm down. Oh god, the suspension. Oh my god, oh shit! What the fuck is going on? Oh fucking hell, man! It's like kicking me out of the fucking seat. Holy shit! Oh, what the hell was up with that fucking road? It was like little peaks, and it bang. Fuck me, man. I don't know if they're in there to slow people down, but oh my balls. Recording. Oh, Christ. What the bloody hell happened there? I told you, mate, weird shit happens to me when I'm on a bike. I think the old man had a fall. He hurt himself, it looks like. I don't know if he was pissed or what, but... Right, so I have had a look, and it says that bikes are free. So, I hope they are. Look at this bridge, man, that's cool. Kinda want to get past this fucking moron, though. There we go, see the sea. Get past this guy. It's a nice little ride, this. Welcome to Liverpool. Birkenhead. We're going Birkenhead, boys. Fucking yeah. Oh yes, oh, I could get some fucking air off this, mate. Oh! Yes, I could. Right, I don't think this is it. P3, yeah. I've not. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Lovely. Appreciate it. Cheers, bud. Thank you. I didn't hear a fucking word that you were saying. Hey. Oh, yeah. Hey. There it is. P3. Triumph Way. Perfect. Right, let's get this twatted in. Here we are. Knock. I do. No. Okay. Yeah, I'm coming to a power room. Yeah. John. Yeah. Hello. Can you do me a favour? Yeah. Say again, thank you. Right, put me in there, yeah. Cheers, mate. So here we are in P3. It's on the dyno at the minute, having a power run. See what it comes out with. The main plan that I want to do with this is I want to be able to get a bit more mid-range out of it. After I put the pipe on, hopefully next week, we'll come back in, we'll have another test, have another run, and then yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll get a bit more out of it, clean up the fueling. Very, very knowledgeable guys, these guys. They know exactly what they're talking about. Been sat here for an hour talking. Really, really nice guys, really good. Highly recommend. Come down here, link in the description. Right. Yeah. Doesn't always make everything better, but it just adds a little bit of a layer, you know what I mean? That's it. Right. Cracking, mate. Yes, not a problem. Yeah, I will do. I'll give you a shout, yeah? See you later, mate. The mouth of hell is open wide tonight. All the woman of my dreams, all the money in the world, and the sweetest little girl. The person from that's what we should. Yeah, not great. My balls hurt. Oh, this bike's nice and warm now. That was excellent. That really was good. Don't know what was going on there. So that was absolutely, that was a really good experience, that. We sat and chatted for about an hour, just talking about bikes and stuff, you know, because I've had some issues with the suspension, as I'm sure you well know. As I've been moaning for the past fuck knows how long about now. But with the suspension, and we were just talking about it. The guys, you know, he's a very nice chap. I've dealt with him before. He came and dropped off me ECU way back in the day. Well, feels like years ago at this point, but it was literally last year. I'm going to put the chart up now for you to see. So what they do, actually, it's kind of cool. So they do like a full 100% throttle. No one ever really goes around at 100% throttle. So what he does is there's 100% roll on, and he just like a steady incremental roll on kind of thing. Hopefully I've got an exhaust on the way, but I'm not too sure at the minute. Looks like I might have got my hands on a Leo Vinch, but again I'm not too sure at the minute. So we'll see what differences that we get, because now that I have a baseline of 114 horsepower, which again is absolutely standard what I expect at 53 foot-pounds of torque. The thing that I'm looking for now is to ease the fuel in, because I've been saying there's something at 5,000 RPM, which there is. It feels like within the sort of 4,000 to 5,000 RPM range there is something there. I don't know what it is, but the power's different. And it turns out on the graph, as you can see, the fueling for that area, it just fucking goes through the roof, man, like really bad. And then I said at 10,000 as well, there's something at 10,000, and again it's then you know, getting more efficient with what it's got, so it's actually coming back into range at that point, you know, which is what it should be doing, but it isn't. So that's me, folks. I'm going to call it quits now, because I'm pretty much, well, I say I'm pretty much home, I'm nearly there. I've had a cracking few hours, I've learnt a lot. It's nice to, you know, be able to bounce my knowledge off somebody else that knows more. Here's how I think this works, is that right? You know a lot more than me, yes or no. And it's never as simple as yes or no, but you know what I mean. I absolutely love having those conversations. So, yeah, it's paid for itself already, man. Nice to know what the bike's putting out. So until then, my friends, that has been me. P3 tuning, link in the description below. And until the next one, guys, I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure. Sod 'em out. Peace.